Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninjas. So in this video I'm going to discuss about JavaScript comments. The JavaScript comments are meaningful way to deliver message. It is used to add information about the code, warnings or suggestions so that end user can easily understand the code. The JavaScript comment is ignored by the JavaScript engine that is embedded in the browser. So, what are the advantages of JavaScript comments? If you want to make code easy to understand, so we use the comments. It can be used to elaborate the code so that end user can easily understand your code. To avoid the unnecessary code, it can also be used to avoid the code being executed. Sometimes we add the code to perform some action, but after some time there may be need to disable the code, so we can use the comment. Types of JavaScript comments. There are two types of comments in JavaScript: single line comment and multi-line comments. JavaScript single line comment, it is represented by double forward slashes. It can be used before the statement. We can use the comment in the script tag by using the forward slash showing the single line comment. Next is JavaScript multi-line comment. It can be used to add single as well as multi-line comments. So it is more convenient. It is represented by forward slash with star symbol. Then we use star symbol with forward slash. Any text between this will be ignored by JavaScript. So this is the example that shows the multi-line comment. So next we take one example. Open the Sublime text editor. So first we start the code with script tag. The script tag specifies that we are using JavaScript. So here we use the document.write function that is used to display dynamic content through JavaScript. We will learn about document object in later videos. So this document.write shows the dynamic content. In between that we add some message like welcome to first JavaScript program, and here we add the semicolon. So in between the script tag we use single line comment like this. This is a single line comment. This line does not show in your browser. So save this file and see the result on the browser window. Single line comment does not appear on the browser because comments are ignored by the browser. We can also use multiple line comment in our code. So here we use multi-line comment. And close this with star symbol and this. We can add more content also like JavaScript comments. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. All these comments does not shows on the browser. Only document.write function shows the dynamic content. Thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep watching and happy learning.